Hello and welcome to another Matchbox unboxing. And in today's video, I've got something I've never opened before. A moving parts car. Yep. I've never had one of these before. And now I managed to find the only one left at the store, Apple Marker. Let's open it. And here it is. Now, even as a regular car, I've never had an open marker. But, let's see. Oh my god, the hood opens. That's so cool. I've never had a matchbox like this. My first moving parts matchbox. And, yeah. It's a little bit of a nightmare opening it with one hand. But if you have two hands, it's easy. I love the printed detail. No suspension, unlike majorettes. And actually, when we bring a majorette moving part to compare to it, and here is a majorette, working suspension and working hood. Marker, on the other hand, working hood, but no suspension. But I love Matchbox way more. Yeah, and that's it. Now see you guys next time. Bye bye.